Traveling the world is getting easier for Americans, and in 2026, some countries are rolling out the red carpet like never before. In this video, we're breaking down 7 countries that welcome Americans with visa-free entry in 2026, and more importantly, why they're doing it. The reasons go far beyond tourism and reveal how economics, diplomacy, and cultural ties shape global travel. Now, let's dive in. Number 7. Albania. Albania might not be the first country that comes to mind when planning a trip, but in 2026 it's becoming one of the friendliest destinations for American travelers. Why is Albania so welcoming to Americans? The answer is tourism and economic growth. Albania is actively building its reputation as a must-visit European destination, and American travelers bring valuable tourism spending that helps local businesses thrive. Visitors can explore ancient castles, relax on the beaches of the Albanian Riviera, and experience vibrant cities like Tirana without any visa paperwork. The process is simple. Americans can enter Albania and stay for up to 1 full year visa-free. That means spontaneous trips are easier, and there are no application fees or embassy appointments to worry about. Another major reason Albania welcomes Americans is cultural connection. Many Albanians have family living in the United States, creating strong people-to-people ties that make American visitors feel at home. The government also sees visa-free travel as a way to strengthen diplomatic relations and encourage long-term investment. For travelers, this means exploring one of Europe's hidden gems without bureaucratic delays. You can wander historic towns, enjoy Mediterranean cuisine, and take in mountain landscapes freely. Hotels, restaurants, and tour operators all benefit from the steady flow of American visitors. Albania's visa-free policy in 2026 isn't just about tourism. It's about trust, opportunity, and openness. Before we move on, comment below and tell us where you're watching from. Number 6. Georgia. Georgia, located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, has become one of the most American-friendly countries in 2026. Why does Georgia welcome Americans so warmly? Because the country sees American tourists as a key part of its economic future. Georgia offers visa-free entry for Americans for up to 1 full year, making it one of the longest visa-free stays available anywhere in the world. Travelers can explore Tbilisi's historic Old Town, taste world-famous Georgian wine, and experience the stunning Caucasus Mountains without any visa hassle. Another reason is political alignment. Georgia values its relationship with the United States and views tourism as a powerful way to strengthen diplomatic ties. The country is also positioning itself as a safe, modern alternative to crowded European destinations. For American travelers, this means extended stays, cultural festivals, and even remote work opportunities without worrying about visa renewals. The policy saves time and money while giving visitors complete freedom to explore at their own pace. Georgian hospitality is legendary. From wine regions like Kakheti to mountain areas such as Svaneti, visitors are welcomed openly. Hotels, guesthouses, and restaurants benefit directly, boosting the economy and creating jobs. In 2026, Georgia stands out not just for visa-free access, but for the warmth and respect it shows American travelers. Number 5. Serbia. Serbia is quickly becoming a favorite destination for American travelers in 2026, thanks to its visa-free entry and genuine hospitality. Americans can stay in Serbia for up to 90 days without a visa, making it ideal for short vacations or longer European trips. Why is Serbia so welcoming to Americans? The answer lies in economic opportunity and cultural exchange. Serbia wants to attract more international visitors, and Americans represent a valuable market that brings tourism revenue and global attention. Travelers can enjoy Belgrade's nightlife, explore medieval monasteries, and experience the natural beauty of national parks without paperwork. Serbia also views visa-free travel as a way to build stronger ties with the United States. The government sees it as a tool to promote friendship, encourage investment, and present Serbia as a modern and welcoming country. For travelers, this means one of Europe's most affordable destinations with minimal planning. Traditional Serbian cuisine, music festivals, and historic sites are all easily accessible. Business travelers also benefit from attending meetings or exploring opportunities without visa delays. Serbia's growing tourism industry relies heavily on American visitors, supporting local businesses from family-run restaurants to boutique hotels. This creates jobs and strengthens communities across the country. In 2026, Serbia proves that visa-free travel is about more than convenience. It's about connection and long-term engagement. If you're enjoying this list so far, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now let's continue. Number 4. Brazil. Brazil, the largest country in South America, has always been a dream destination for many Americans. In 2026, it's easier than ever to visit. Brazil offers visa-free entry for Americans for up to 90 days, making both leisure and business travel simple. Why is Brazil making this move? Because tourism is vital to its economy. American visitors spend billions each year on hotels, tours, food, and local experiences. Travelers can explore the Amazon rainforest, relax on Rio de Janeiro's beaches, and experience the energy of São Paulo without applying for a visa. Visa-free access also reflects reciprocity and Brazil's desire to strengthen relations with the United States. For Americans, this means spontaneous trips with less stress. Book a flight, pack your bags, and go. The policy saves time and money while encouraging cultural exchange through music, festivals, and cuisine. Brazilian tourism depends heavily on international visitors, and Americans are among the top spenders. Hotels, restaurants, tour operators, and local businesses all benefit from the steady flow of travelers. In 2026, Brazil's visa-free policy makes it more competitive globally and opens the door to unforgettable experiences, from carnival celebrations to wildlife adventures. Number 3. Singapore. Singapore, a clean, modern, and highly efficient city-state, continues to welcome American travelers with visa-free entry in 2026. Why does Singapore make it so easy for Americans to visit? Because the country values tourism and sees American visitors as key contributors to its economy. Travelers can explore Marina Bay Sands, Gardens by the Bay, and Singapore's famous hawker centers without any visa paperwork. Americans can stay for up to 90 days, giving plenty of time to experience both the city's attractions and nearby destinations. Another major reason is Singapore's strong diplomatic and economic relationship with the United States. The two countries maintain close ties in trade, security, and education, and visa-free travel strengthens those bonds. Singapore also positions itself as a global hub for business and leisure, making hassle-free entry essential. For travelers, this means smooth arrivals and departures. You can plan business meetings, attend conferences, or simply enjoy a vacation without visa complications. The policy saves both time and money, allowing visitors to focus on experiencing Singapore's unique blend of cultures, cuisines, and cutting-edge infrastructure. Singapore's tourism industry thrives on international visitors, and Americans are among the most valued. Hotels, restaurants, shopping districts, and major attractions all benefit from American spending. The visa-free policy also encourages repeat visits, as travelers know they can return easily. In 2026, Singapore remains a top destination for Americans seeking a safe, exciting, and accessible place that truly values their presence. Number 2. Japan. Japan has long been a favorite destination for American travelers, and in 2026, visa-free entry makes visiting even easier. Why does Japan welcome Americans so warmly? Because tourism plays a critical role in Japan's economy, and American visitors bring strong spending power that supports local businesses across the country. Travelers can explore Tokyo's modern skyline, visit Kyoto's ancient temples, and experience Osaka's food culture without applying for a visa. Americans can stay for up to 90 days, allowing time to explore multiple cities and regions. Another important factor is the strong alliance between Japan and the United States. The two nations share deep historical, economic, and security ties, and visa-free travel reflects this partnership. Japan also wants to showcase its culture, technology, and hospitality to American visitors, encouraging mutual understanding and respect. For travelers, this means faster and simpler planning. Flights and accommodations can be booked without waiting for visa processing, making spontaneous trips possible. This is especially valuable for business travelers attending meetings or conferences. Japan's tourism industry relies heavily on international visitors, and Americans are among the top groups. Hotels, transportation services, restaurants, and cultural sites all benefit from American tourism dollars. Visa-free access also keeps Japan competitive with other Asian destinations that may have stricter entry requirements. From cherry blossom season to winter skiing, Japan offers year-round attractions that American visitors can now enjoy more easily. In 2026, Japan shows that visa-free entry is about more than convenience. It's about friendship, respect, and genuine hospitality. Number 1. South Korea. South Korea takes the number 1 spot as the country that welcomes Americans with the most open arms in 2026. Why is South Korea so committed to making American visitors feel welcome? Because tourism is essential to its economy, and American travelers contribute billions of dollars that support hotels, restaurants, and attractions nationwide. Visitors can explore Seoul's historic palaces, relax on Busan's beaches, and experience Jeju Island's natural beauty without any visa requirements. Americans can stay for up to 90 days, giving plenty of time to explore the country's diverse regions. But there is more to the story. South Korea places enormous value on its alliance with the United States, one of its strongest international partnerships. Military cooperation, economic ties, and cultural exchange stretch back decades, and visa-free travel reflects that trust. Another major factor is the global rise of Korean culture. K-pop, Korean dramas, and Korean cuisine have exploded in popularity across the United States, creating massive interest in visiting South Korea. The government recognizes this trend and works to make travel as easy as possible for American visitors. For travelers, this means smooth entry, no paperwork, and the freedom to explore spontaneously. Whether attending a concert, visiting filming locations, or enjoying authentic Korean food, visa-free access removes barriers and enhances the experience. South Korea's tourism industry thrives on American visitors. From boutique hotels in Seoul to traditional guest houses in rural regions, businesses across the country benefit. Tour operators, restaurants, shopping districts, and cultural sites all gain from the steady flow of travelers. The visa-free policy also encourages longer stays and repeat visits. In 2026, South Korea proves that welcoming Americans is not just about tourism revenue. It's about honoring a partnership, celebrating shared interests, and building lasting connections between two nations. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel and global access updates. Which country are you most excited to visit visa-free in 2026? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.